Welcome everyone to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 7th, 2021. We are HueFin News because we are here to give you all the news according to the charts. We don't care less about what's going on in mainstream media. We don't pay attention to news articles to try to justify price movement. We don't use technical indicators on our chart just to gauge where price is going to go. And then we don't speak in no confusing jargon, right? So today's your first time ever seeing our video. You guys can actually tell that there is actually individuals in this space that's giving you price predictions without being confused. You need to join us. We're here. The doors are open. Join our community. You want to learn this for yourself so that you can be more powerful when you enter into the stock market. You don't want to be dependent on no one else to give you the plays. You don't want to be dependent on some expensive software to tell you when to jump in and when to jump out, or give you some type of cheat code to think that it's easy because you get some indicator to tell you when to buy and sell. You still need to understand the dynamics of the market, right? And we possess that. So if you want to join us, we're here. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. Join our team. You guys can tell in RIOT blockchain, we did a price prediction not long ago, right? It was on May 28th, May 29th. Don't worry, it is in our RIOT blockchain playlist. You guys can check it out, right? We're not hiding anything from you all. This was our prediction. We was playing the strength in the market in RIOT blockchain. Now just imagine if you could do the same thing. Just imagine how powerful you would be in knowing where price is going to go. Imagine how big your account can look because you already knew where price was headed. That's massive. So take a look, 25.83% right here from our last price prediction in RIOT, and it occurred right there on June 14th. So from May 28th, May 29th to June 14th, that TP area was taken out. Now, will you get something wrong? Yes, you will get some calls wrong. You will get some plays wrong, but for the most part, you win once you understand the language of the markets. So congratulations to you if you was able to capitalize in RIOT blockchain over the last couple of days. Matter of fact, if we were to get out right now, it's about 30% profitability. All right, so that's done. So check this out, okay? You guys can see one thing that could be a problem in the progressional movement of RIOT blockchain higher, and is that restriction line, right? We've been tracking the market in RIOT, bouncing and finding restriction on that line, okay? So far, that line is still intact. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to give you the truth. I'm here to show forth what the market is already dictating. I cannot change it, but I have to be real with those who are in our community. And right now, you can visually tell for yourself that the market over the last 5 days of trading could not break that price above that descending line. That's an issue. So we have to keep that in mind as we see our prediction. Okay, now let me take this support line that we had down here around 20, and I want to use it as our gauge for the trend. Okay, because one of these lines, the market in RIOT is going to break. It's going to break. Okay, it either will break this descending line to the upside, or we're going to break this support line to the downside. Either or. Okay, so when I look at these different time frames, we need to keep in mind what we have. If we get more strength in RIOT blockchain, then the market's going to try to break that descending line to the upside. If we get weakness, then we're going to come back down to that support line and test that ascending line. It's just that easy. It's just that simple. Okay, so let me see what we got on a 2-day time frame. So this is the market in RIOT blockchain on a 2-day time frame. So far, it's not detrimental, right? It's not overly bearish. It's not overly bullish. The market is pretty much calm and stagnated. So let's move on to a different chart. This is the 3-day time frame. And again, I don't see really too much going on into the market in RIOT blockchain on the 3-day time frame either. All right, cool. Let's look at this on 5-day. This is the 5-day time frame in RIOT blockchain. Yes, we are still seeing the market hindered at the price alongside that descending line. So the market support is going to be around 32. Okay, which will bring us to that ascending line as well. So can we see the market in Riot come down to 32 and test? Yeah, we sure can. And this is the weekly time frame. Okay, so the question is, are we still in an uptrend, right? Are we still seeing the market in Riot give us enough ideas from these varying time frames that the prospect of higher price is still on the table? What do you all think? Then look at this on an hourly time frame. Okay, so this is the hourly time frame. So far the market is still giving us a little bit of weakness, right? I don't see a big indication that the market is truly strong right now in Riot blockchain. Okay, don't see it yet. Yeah, because if I would have seen increase in volume down here as the market in Riot was going lower, I would say, yeah, we probably found the bottom. But so far, we haven't found it yet. So it looked like $34 to 32. Let me see the percentage of that. So the 34, that's only about 4% movement to the downside of 32. It's about 10%. Okay, because we can still see the market in Riot go down 10%, but the market trend will still be one of higher price. Okay. So what do you all think? Where do you think the price in Riot is going to go? Because one thing that you have to do when you're looking at charts is you got to be real with yourself. So far, this market has been giving us more indication of weakness, right? So given the current circumstance, you have to give or move the way that the trap has already dictated. I mean, if we would have seen the price in Riot blockchain over the last 5 trading days give us strength and indication that it wants to break that descending line, then we would have played the movement higher, right? But we haven't gotten that yet over the last 5 days. So what he's telling me is that, look, I'm still weak. I'm still trying to lower this price in Riot blockchain. So my focus in a very short time frame is to get some strength to come into this market right here. Okay, that's where I'm looking for the market to try to come through and give us another indication that he's still in the long term trying to increase this price. But we're not there yet. I still think that we have a little bit more weakness to go through into the market in Riot, which is why I wanted to tell you that we will come through and TP out the market around $34 to $32, right? We will have to come through and take the bag because the prospect of the market holding support on that ascending line is still there. Okay, and if we do get that indication that he wants the proper price on this trend, this upward line, then yeah, long-term Riot is still going to go higher price throughout 2021. So let me bring this here. So this is the forecast area right here. So we all need to pay attention and see how we trade over the next couple of trading days. This is the area of concern right here. Okay, right there. So let's see how this market plays out. This is what we think. I want to know what you all think on the price chart for Riot blockchain. Leave us your price prediction with a comment below. And that's it. Get in position. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, I will see you on, well, I won't see you, but we'll speak again on our next video. Peace.